Hello traders, here we are looking at the GBP/USD chart. Here on the daily time frame, we have a little bit of an overextension with a consolidation happening over here. On the 4-hour time frame, we have actually no trend, which is a market compression, and the 1 hour, there is a high overextension that we are having. So do we actually have a trade over here when we correlate these time frames? We're going to analyze this and more in this live trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Naupan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Elite Traders Conference and Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the GBP/USD chart on the daily time frame. So let's analyze this a little bit more over here. So I can see that my confirmation bar, which confirmed the bottom, came around here. So that's the one that confirmed this bottom over here. So at that point, traders, what I've actually had is we had a move of about 480 pips over here is what we've got. Now, at the moment, we are having a little bit of a consolidation. So that's what we are having over here. So it is a bit overextended because usually 20% of them get to more than or equal to 250 pips. So this has gone even more than that, which is about 480 at the moment. Not only that, traders, what else we are seeing over here is it had a little bit of a profit taking here, which is an interruption, which we call it. Second one here, and the third one being this one here. Now, the real question here is it going to go further down from this point onwards and confirm this top at some point, or is it going to carry on further up onwards and sustain this bottom to top move? These are the only two questions that happens in the markets at any point of time.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So traders, so understanding that, let's analyze this. I mean, this is only one bar we're going to be looking at for today, intraday. So not really matter of, is it going to continue its move or not? But just to give you the overall picture, where's my higher probability in? I would say higher probability is really towards my downside because it's overextended here in terms of distance and time as well. So in terms of that, I'll be looking for a short trade on the lower time frames. Now, taking a look at that, now go on to the 4-hour. Now, in the 4-hour, yes, it's aligning. It's a top to bottom move. It's signaling towards a downside as well for today. And then the 1 hour, it has crossed its lower stretch bar as well as of now. So we do actually have a trade towards the downside, which is all correct. Now, the last thing that we really need to analyze over here is, do we have our price action set up? Usually, we do not take, according to our strategy over here, we do not take the first breakout over here. So what we usually do, traders, is that we wait for a breakout to happen through the lower stretch line, showing that the bigger range from the open is going to happen to the downside, which you have explained a lot in a previous video. So if you don't understand this, go and look at our previous YouTube videos, as well as, a really great starting point for you to understand concepts and terminologies and all of that. If you're just starting out on trading, is our Trader Starter Pack video series. All right, 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders. Right, so coming on to here, after we get a breakout, then we're looking for some retracement. However, we didn't have this over here until this point. Okay, not really a great good retracement that we had over here. A little bit over here, but we wanted to cross above this line here. So not really our setup at the moment. There are different ways you can trade it, but in terms of our setup, there is no trade. In terms of the range, how much range is it made for today? 102. I'm going to take a look at the daily time frame. This was 0.8 times 185. So what would that be? Let me quickly take my calculator out. So 0.8 times 185. Let me check. That's 148. So 148 is what I'm aiming for. So roughly, it's still got a little bit more to go. And I'm looking at maybe 1.17377 is what we are looking at. 1.17377. That's what we are looking at as of now. Okay.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
That's the target point to get to. But however, we're not having an entry point. So I'm just going to stay tight on this one, see if we do get any other entry points later on. If you do want to really take a short trade on this, a very quick trade, entry for here, for this little retracement here that we are having over here. And then the stop loss for the high of this bar here as well. This is one quick short trade that you can take. Not really our typical pattern setup, but if you do want to take it, we can do it at a reduced risk because not our usual pattern setups. All right. Okay, I guess that's that. We'll see how that carries on into the day, but we'll analyze it, but not really our typical setup. This is how you would analyze it across all different time frames and take your direction as well as then your entry, stop loss, and target. And your trailing stop loss must be in place as well. Okay. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me in terms of this video. And of course, those of you who have seen all our ads and everything in terms of us being invited to talk in the Trader Show, we'll be happy to see you guys over there. Live on the show on the 25th of November, this coming Friday. So if you guys are free, definitely would love to see you guys there, and that'd be great. Our slot is happening from 9:30 to 5:30, and you can see us talk at 11:30. We'll be talking about how to build a robust strategy for a recession, and it will include live trading analysis just like this. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you, as many of you there as possible. All right, traders. All right, that's enough for today on live trading session video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.